Hey y'all, Joe coming at you this afternoon with another recipe. We're going to do a chicken fajita casserole, low carb. It's going to be real good. Show you what we got here. Of course, we're not using any fajita wraps, but I got some chicken here that I've sliced up, little fajita style slices. And we have got some Made Products fajita seasoning. It's their fabulous fajita, and we definitely want to get them good bit of this on there. Alright. With that on there, really good fajita seasoning. And then I've also got one more thing that I want to put on there, y'all. I'm going to get over here. It's some taco seasoning, basically. What you want is a little bit of taco seasoning. I'm going to put some taco seasoning on these. Just regular, I got this regular taco seasoning right here. Let me see if I got something to open this with. Pocket knife somewhere, okay. So let's just sprinkle a pack of taco seasoning right on these like this. Now we'll mix all this up and put them in a bag and let this marinate just for a little bit, okay? It's gonna be real good. So now I've got it all in the bag. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm going to add some of this avocado oil in there, okay? This stuff is great for searing. I'll put a link to where you can get this stuff ordered offline. It's fabulous. We'll add a little bit of that in there, probably a few tablespoons. And this will really get this stuff good there. And we'll just kind of mush it around the bag, and I'll seal this in my vacuum sealer and let this marinate for a little bit, okay? So what I've got now is a big cast iron skillet heating up. Now I've got the chicken here with the oil, the avocado oil and seasoning all there. I'm about to dump on the skillet. As soon as I get real hot, but you can get a good sear. All right, so it should be hot enough now. Let's dump this on here. And looks like the idea is just to sear this chicken just on the outside mainly. All right, a little bit. Use my tongs. Pull this over inside the pan, and I'm going to sear this. And then I've got a Pyrex sitting over here, sprayed down with this duck fat spray. So I'll spray the Pyrex down with. You're going to see that, and I'm going to put it off in there as soon as I get it seared. But you just want to get the outside of the chicken kind of seared. We're not trying to completely cook it. It's great for this avocado oil. I've got this burner on high. That's what we're doing, just high heat sear here. Wish I even had a bigger pan and maybe do this in batches. And just want to put a little bit of sear on the outside of the chicken. Is all. It's not cooked all the way by any means, but that's just what I want to do, put a little bit of sear on it. I'm going to start evacuating over here in this Pyrex, making a bottom layer, basically for this dish. Alright. That all over there. Now I want you to look back down here again. I've got some onions I'm going to put in here. A bowl of chopped red onion. Alright, and saute that down. Get it all in there good. Now I'll turn my fire down a little bit now. Spray a little bit of duck fat in there. Just to give it a little flavor. Get everything going good. I'm also going to put some bell pepper, different colored bell peppers, in here as well. Just kind of toss all this around so you get some good flavor. And good vegetables. But like I said, it won't hurt. Add a little more duck fat to the top of that right there. Alright. Also going to add a little bit more of the fajita seasoning to these vegetables. Alright. Let those get a little seasoning on them as well. Throw that around. So just want to get everything, get a nice little bit of char on part of it. Alright, while those char, I'm going to show y'all something else we're about to do. I'm making a sauce for the top of it. Now what I've got is this crema mexicana. And this is basically Spanish or Mexican table cream, all right? Almost like using almost like a sour cream or something like that. So we'll open this up and we'll put some of this, about a cup of this in here. All right. Now to that, I'm gonna mix in some more of this taco seasoning. All right. This is the lower sodium version right now. Right? About half hour or so in there. Then we'll stir that in. We'll drizzle that over here at some point. It's gonna give it some really, really nice flavor. Also, I suggest you add a little bit of your favorite hot sauce or whatever. That's what I'm using. You know, something like that to this. And give it a little bit of color, kick it up a little bit. This one is so good. All right, now with these are sauteed a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and get them over here on top of the chicken. All right, just kind of spread them out over here on top of the chicken. Hopefully y'all can see. All right, so we're putting the vegetables on top of the chicken now. I'll turn this pan off. Might as well pull the pan over here somewhat. Oh, they do that. Alright. Let me get all this spread out on top of here. Get my vegetables right down there on top of everything. Now I'm going to go in with this cream and pour that on top of the vegetables. Man, this will be good. Talking about some flavor. Oh yeah. Let's get this cream in here. I got my oven preheated to 375, by the way. Alright. Now we're going to start going with some cheeses. Alright, first off I'm going with some quesadilla cheese, because that melts very nicely on here. Alright, so let's just sprinkle some of that. This is that good stuff here. Smell it very well. Come on. Alright. Alright, so now we're coming in with the Mexican blend cheese. Okay. On top of that. Okay. That should be plenty right there. As I just go over the last of it. A little bit more. Can't hurt. Huh? Okay. Now I've got some diced serrano peppers. Put some of these diced serranos on here. It's from the very top. It's definitely optional. I just saw they had fresh serranos at the store. Serranos are one of my favorites. Not quite as, there's a lot more flavor to me than jalapeno. But, okay. Alright, you're going to stick all this in the oven, 375. I'm going to check it in about 30 minutes. I just got out of the oven. It is all nice and bubbly. It looks wonderful, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and get a scoop out of it. This is just something you basically scoop. That's your chicken. Everything else here. The veggies, the cheese, your crema. Look at that. Take some of that, put it on a plate right there. And we will give it a try. Let's go ahead and try this. That is good, y'all. That really is. That's some nice stuff. Definitely taste that flavor. It's like some fajitas in the best Mexican restaurant without all the carbs though. Make it here at home. The crema really adds to it. That's nice.
Y'all, make sure to come back and see me. Please like my videos, sub my channel. Really appreciate y'all. Look in the description box for items I use.